Welcome, bird enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of secretary birds, majestic creatures celebrated for their unique behavior, striking appearance, and intriguing habits. Easily distinguishable by their long legs, remarkably long eyelashes, and a distinctive crest of feathers atop their heads, these birds stand tall at approximately 4.3 feet. Hailing from the open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa, secretary birds exhibit a remarkable hunting technique, a distinctive stomping method to flush out prey from the grass. Their communication is equally fascinating, expressed through vocalizations like hissing sounds and soft clucking. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of these extraordinary birds and their one-of-a-kind traits.